Good day everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to make money from those sites that pays you to read out words. Guess what, it is very free. You don't need to spend any dime in getting to know all those things. Alright, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you're going to support me for giving us those free updates. This update, it is legit and it is paying. Now it is still new. So guys, the first thing we need to do is to download our VPN. This VPN, if you're not careful, you're not going to get it. Remember, before you turn on your VPN, go and turn off your location in your phone. You go and download Beer VPN. If you have this VPN already, you might find it difficult to connect because your data might have finished and without you knowing. So to be at the safer side, go and register new account. Mind you that as you're registering new account, you have to do it on their site so that you will be able to receive code. If not, you'll not receive any code. Now we are heading straight to our Chrome browser and we are going to site www.tonybeer.com. Then we are going to log in the new account we have created and we are going to request for email. That's to verify our account. I'll come to my Gmail here and I'm going to receive a notification from them that I want to verify my account, which I'm also going to click. As you can see, email confirmation. Then that's the only way I can receive notification. If not, if you're using app, you will suffer a lot. Then I'm going to click verify my account and that's how I'm going to verify my account, and then I will log it back to my Beer and I will get to the app. So friends, as you can see, I have 11,740 MB remaining. That's because I'm a newbie. Then I'm going to click this arrow and select United States. I'm going to grant access. Okay, I'll turn it okay. Then I'll click connect. That's how I get connected to United States. And you can, friends, after doing that, you come to your browser and search Pillar AI. Okay, so you're going to see this app here. Let me show you. This is the app, the one I circled, as you can see. Okay, so you're going to click it, you're going to open it. This app, Earn Cash and Improve AI for Everyone. So you're going to download it. If you're using iPhone, you are going to click the first option. If you're using Android, you're going to click the second option and download it. Make sure your VPN, your location is turned off. But I'm going to show you one major problem everybody will face. It's going to show you something like this. This item is not available in your country, and this is the step to solve this problem. If not, you might give up here. You will come to your email and change the email, twist it to another email. You understand? They will think it's another location, another person. We're going to change the email. I'm going to change it to another email. Okay, I will choose any email of my choice and then I will add it. Okay, let's search the app now. As you can see, the app is showing here. You are going to install it. Make sure you turned off your location. You turned on your VPN to US states and you switch to your account. Okay, that's how you're going to do it. And then we are going to install the app now, and after downloading I will show you the next step. So guys, I'm going to click sign up. I'll add my email here. Okay, after adding my email, the next thing is to add my password, and I'm also going to confirm my password. After that, next thing is to add this invitation code. Without it you cannot register, so please screenshot it now. Then I'm going to sign my signature. That is it, and I will agree. Move here to the next. I'll add my name. Okay, please use your real name though. I'm going to add my display number here, and that's it. The name I want them to be saying. I'm also going to add my state. Please choose anything except outside US. Choose other things except outside US. And here I'm going to choose anything again. I'm going to choose female because my voice is. So I'm going to choose any year. You choose age here. You come to profession. You're going to choose another thing. Come to static. Just fill in the details. Then if you come to any impact on your voice, please choose not applicable so that they will not disqualify you. How did you learn English? Choose anything. Next, your skin tone. Choose anything. Done. Okay, just read this thing. Read this thing. Read this thing. Where? Alright, that's it. I am here. As you can see, this is available task, completed task. You are going to start from the first one. So you are going to start with the free one. You are going to start from the first one to the last one for you to get your reward. Please read these whole things. Follow their instruction, okay? If not, they might reject your project. If you feel like you don't read it well, redo it again. If you feel like you don't read it well, redo it again. That's how you're going to follow up the whole thing. So as you can see, completed. This is the first baseline project I've completed all of them. So guys, on Monday I am receiving my payments. So you can see your email will be used to send payments. Payments are sent on Monday for approved projects. So if your project was approved, if like go and read nonsense, it will not be approved. And again, please be careful whenever you are reading. Please be careful your VPN is on. If not, the account utilo. So now you come here. As you can see here, you can refer people and you earn. Here you can update your profile. You understand? Here that you're going to update your profile. You can add a picture. You are going to add your name, update payout information, enter PayPal email, or use your cash. You don't want to miss other legit that is going to be coming out in this YouTube channel. Do what to subscribe, turn on notification, send to your friends. That's your board that you want them to succeed together with you. Send it to them. We are sharing value in this channel. Thank you.